Technology, Digital Media and Curriculum Integration. Chapter 6. What is curriculum? The knowledge, skills and performance standards students are expected to acquire in a particular grade level. So the knowledge, skills and performance standards students are expected to acquire in a particular grade level. Teachers must understand the curriculum and be empowered to adapt it to meet the instructional needs of the students. So technology integration. The combination of all technology parts, such as the hardware and software, together with each subject-related area of curriculum to enhance learning. Using technology to help meet the curriculum standards and learners' objectives for each lesson, unit, or activity. Educators must integrate technology throughout the classroom experiences and activities. Use technology to teach curriculum-specific content while establishing connections between subjects and the real world. Not to let technology drive the curriculum should drive the technology. Use technology to enhance learning at the appropriate times. Technology integration and the learning process. Research shows that using technology in the classroom motivates students, encourages problem solving, create new avenues to demonstrate creativity, can capture and hold attention. So Welliver's instructional transformation model. Familiarization is number one, familiarization, becoming aware of technology and its potential uses. 2, utilization, using technology, however minor problems causes discontinuing use. Integration, see technology as essential for the success of educational process and teachers constantly think of ways to use technology. Reorientation, rethink the educational goals of classroom with the use of technology. Revolution, the classroom is completely integrated with technology in all subjects. Technology is seamlessly woven into the teaching and learning process. So familiarization, utilization, integration, reorientation, revolution. So there's 5 parts to it. Barriers of technology integration. Lack of training, security constraints that impede instructional strategies, lack of administrative support, limited time for planning, difficult to access, budget constraints, lack of high-speed school networks, resistance to change. So strategies for integrating technology into teaching. Teachers must be properly trained. Technology must be easily accessible, must be used at the point of instruction. Every student must have the opportunity to work with technology. Continuous planning at all levels, district, schools and classroom level. Each level must plan systematically so that the technology is integrated effectively and seamlessly into all facets of education. What is instructional design? Instructional design is the systematic development of instructional specifications using and learning and instructional theory to ensure quality of instruction. It is the entire process of analysis of learning needs and objectives and the development of system to meet those needs. So instructional design is the systematic development of instructional specifications using learning instructional theories. So initial sought answers. Outcomes. What are the outcomes of the instructional strategy? What is the instructional strategy and the instructional medium? How will we get there? Evaluation. How will we evaluate the achievement and revise the instructional materials for further improvement? How will we know when we have arrived? So this, I think, of the assignment we done, when we had to create an instructional PowerPoint or website or whatever you wanted for a student. So it had the outcomes, had instructional strategy, and it had an evaluation. So the Assure model, a well-known guide to developing instructional lessons. It can be used to plan technology integration, including in 6 steps. So the Assure model is Assure: analyze, state, select, utilize, require, evaluate. Analyze, state, select, utilize, require, evaluate. So analyze, state, select, utilize, require, evaluate. So Assure model, Assure. So analyze the learner. What are the learners? What are their skill levels? What are their learning styles? State objectives. What do you want the learner to gain knowledge of? What are the specific learner outcomes? Select. Select methods, media, and materials. What methods of instruction will you use? Which media are appropriate? Which materials will you need? Utilize. Utilize methods, media, and materials. How will you use the methods in the media? How will you use the materials? What is the instructional strategy? Require. Require learners participation. What will the learners be required to do? What will the learners engage in participatory or passive learning? Evaluate and revise. So, did the lesson meet the objectives? How will you evaluate the content and technology used? How will you revise and improve? And that's it. So I think this model, I need to learn this model, Assure model. Analyze, state, select. So I'll analyze the learners, then state the objective to the learners, then select the methods, media, and material. How will they learn? Basically, what method will you use to teach them? How will you utilize the methods? Then require learners' participation. So how would you basically get the learners to participate? And evaluate and revise. So how do you evaluate and then revise this to improve?